9 reasons to avoid offshore banking in 2026. Protect yourself and your wealth. Hey there. Have you ever thought about offshore banking to protect your money? You might want to think twice about that. In this video, I'm going to share 9 reasons why it might be better to avoid offshore banking in 2026. Let's kick it off with reason number 1. You see, we usually only work with clients who want to deposit at least $100,000 in a new account. Most of our clients are actually putting in over $1 million. If you're looking to open an account with just $5,000, $10,000, or even $25,000, you won't unlock the real benefits of offshore banking. So what does that actually mean? It means that the options available to you won't be as solid. If you're just opening an account for the sake of diversification, those lower amount deposits aren't going to help much. Reason 2, choosing the wrong bank. Now, moving on to reason number 2. Some folk want to bank offshore for reasons like security and privacy, but they sometimes choose the wrong banks. If you open an account with a tiny, weak bank in an unstable location, you're better off banking at home. Unfortunately, these low-quality banks just don't offer the same level of security. So, if you're thinking about opening an offshore account, make sure you're choosing a reputable bank in a stable country. Reason 3, not knowing what you want. Reason number 3 is that many people don't know exactly what they're looking for. It's important to know your goals. Are you after greater security, better investment options, or support for real estate? If you don't know what you want, opening an offshore account might not be the best idea. You can have that rainy day offshore account or emergency fund, but don't just do it for the sake of it. Reason 4, age matters. Let's talk about reason number 4. If you're older, like 95 years old with millions in liquid assets, going offshore can add unnecessary complications. At that age, your finances should be set up in a way that avoids risky moves. So, if you're older and just looking to protect your wealth, maybe consider a more straightforward banking strategy. Reason 5, qualifying in other countries. Now, reason 5 is all about where you're banking. More people are interested in accounts in countries like Singapore and Hong Kong. Those countries do have solid banking options, but remember, every country and sometimes every bank has specific restrictions. Just because a place is known for banking doesn't mean you'll qualify. Make sure you choose a location that fits your profile. If you can't qualify in Singapore, then it's probably not the best option for you. Reason 6, a variety of accounts. Reason number 6 is about needing different banking relationships. If you have, say, $5 million or more, you should consider having multiple types of account for different purposes. You could have one for daily transactions, a premium credit card for travel points, another for cheap international money transfers, and more. By spreading things out, you can reduce fees and get better services. Trying to fit everything into one account usually ends up being a bad experience. Reason 7, understanding fees. Now, let's discuss reason 7. You might think banking should be free, but guess what? There's no such thing as a free bank account offshore. You'll pay in some form, usually with fees. If you're not ready to handle those fees, you might be better off banking near home. Reason 8, policy changes. Reason 8 is about policy changes. Things can shift quickly in banking hubs. New laws can mean changes in available services or even account closures for foreign non-residents. It's essential to stay informed about what changes are happening in the country and the bank you're using. Always be willing to adapt and consider opening accounts in new places if necessary. Reason 9, protecting your wealth. Finally, reason number 9. Many people want to bank offshore because they're worried about the stability of the banking systems. But if you're not interested in protecting your wealth in stable banks, maybe offshore banking isn't a good fit. If you're concerned, look for reputable banking hubs that offer solid protections. Take action. So, there you have it. The 9 reasons why you might want to avoid offshore banking in 2026. If you're thinking about it, remember to choose wisely and know what you want to achieve. Take action now. If any of these reasons resonate with you, think about your banking strategy. Do what's best for your financial health. If you found this helpful, share with your friends and family to help them stay informed, too.